Hello, my name is BJ Mayer, and I am here to share with you information regarding the student handbook for our elementary schools in the Iowa City Community School District. Our handbook starts with a welcome letter from Superintendent Matt Degner. The handbook is shared on the district website, all elementary websites, and each elementary school will have copies available as well. In the beginning of the table of the contents, students, parents, staff, and community members will find information on students and parental rights. These include attendance, communications, educational records access, emergency procedures, fee waiver and reduction procedures, special education and the Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, and many other important informational pieces. There is also a section on student conduct. In this section, it states, conduct of students should not interfere with rights of others or present a threat to the health and safety of student employees or visitors. Potential disciplinary measures are also shared in this section. Each year at elementary admin council meetings, discussion takes place on the material in the handbook. All elementary principals and district administrators gather information on things that may need to be added, changed, or eliminated from the handbook. Additionally, a survey is sent to parents asking what information they need from that handbook. District administrators have the final say with input from the stakeholders. I believe that two changes would make our handbook better. I would like to see a specific handbook from each elementary school. Since our elementaries offer many unique ideas and buildings, this would give those students and parents the information needed that is specific to their own elementary school. I also believe that adding a section on our PBIS would be beneficial. Hopefully this section would explain how our PBIS system works, as well as the research behind it. I believe that there is a great deal of important information presented in our handbook, and a few small changes would only improve the handbook for parents, students, staff, and community members. Thank you.